Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special wig review. I'm showing you guys this new magic lace wig and it is from UNiceHair. Now, I don't know if you guys have heard about this already, but basically this is one of those wigs where you can actually switch out the lace closures whenever you want to. Yes, one wig with two different lace closures that are interchangeable. It's crazy. Now, switching out the lace closure on this wig is super easy, but don't worry, we will discuss that in further detail throughout this video, and I'm giving you guys some sneak clips right here. But I do just want to talk about why this wig was invented in the first place. This wig does give you the comfort in knowing that you can actually change out your lace closure whenever you choose to, or if one lace closure gets a little old, you can change it to a different one. So it's kind of a little peace of mind thing. Also, it gives you a lot of versatility, of course, which is great. This also gives you the ability to wear your wig a little longer, and they saying that it's going to be a money saver. But I'll be honest with you guys, when you go on the website and you click the option to have two lace closures instead of one, it is a little pricey depending on how long you want the inches to be. So I'm going to be 100% honest right there. But overall though, you are able to wear your wig a lot longer than usual because you will have two lace closures instead of one. You have the opportunity to switch it up and give you lots of versatility if you choose to. Also, the lace on these wigs are pre-styled for you. They're pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached as well. And this is a put on and go glueless wig, okay? It's very comfortable to wear also. It's very light. But enough of the heavy marketing, let's go ahead and jump on into this review just so I can give you guys my honest opinion, all right? So of course, I'm giving you guys some close-ups of the hair. As you can see, it does come pre-styled with these beautiful curls. This is a body wave texture, by the way. Now, I do have this lace in a 7x5. The length of this wig is 24 inches, 150% density. That shiny part on the wig is called a non-slip silicone base. This prevents your wig from slipping and sliding. So here I'm just showing you guys that basically the lace closure has like this Velcro. It's easy to put on and it's easy to take off whenever you're looking to switch out your lace closure wigs. But again, we'll talk about that in further detail while you guys actually watch me do so. But let's go ahead and start off per usual. I'm just going to add some foundation all over this lace. Yes, she is pre-bleached and she looks great. However, you still want to make sure that the lace matches your skin color. That is extremely important. Go ahead and throw the wig on per usual. Make sure all of the hair is away from the lace. That way you can see what she's really looking like. Make sure everything is secure. There is an adjustable strap on this wig unit as well, so if you need to tighten it, then go ahead and do so. As I mentioned before, the wig cap in general is a pretty comfortable fit. It's not heavy at all. It feels really light, which is great. It also did fit comfortably around my ears, which is good as well. The only thing that I did notice is that the wig cap was just a little big on me, even with using the adjustable strap. So I just wanted to point that out there. But other than that, it did fit pretty comfortable. So I decided to go ahead and keep the middle part, mostly just because of how the wig cap was feeling, and I knew I wanted to add some baby hairs later on in this video, and I just felt like a middle part will look best. So I'm just recentering it, and to secure it in place, I'm going to use my wax stick per usual, and then I'm going to clip the hair back. So here's a close-up of the lace right now, and again you guys, the wig cap was a little big on me, so I did realize that the lace was not laying as flat as I would have liked it to. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some spray on her, that way she can lay even flatter before I add some more foundation as well. A little bit goes a long way. I didn't really need to do too much. Another thing that I did realize is that the lace on this lace closure was pretty thick compared to the replaceable one that they gave me as well. I'm not really too sure why. Don't get me wrong, it looks great. Obviously, you guys can see that it looks great on camera. Remember, lace is a fabric, so the touch of it was a little thicker compared to the second lace closure that they gave me. So I just wanted to throw that out there. So again, I just added a little bit of spray, which helped overall as far as making the lace lay flat and also the texture of it. And then I went ahead and just added some foundation on her. And now I'm just adding some baby hairs. And I'm pretty sure you guys can see why. Where it gets close to like the lace ending, it's kind of sticking out a little bit and it's a little noticeable. So I just really wanted to add the baby hairs to just help camouflage that a little bit. Remember, this is a 7x5 lace closure, so there is a lot of room. I'm doing what looks best best on me, but if you guys would like to switch it to a side part, you are more than welcome to. A half up, half down, I don't really feel like would work with this lace closure. You can finesse it as much as possible, but as you guys can see, it's not ear to ear. It kind of stops before it hits your ear. So just be careful with how you style it. You want it to look really natural. Okay, so now I'm just going in with my hot comb. This is what's going to help my wig lay super flat at the top. Now, if at this point, if I decided to switch my middle part to a side part, I would just use my wax stick and my hot comb once again to secure it in place. So this really helps your part to look well polished, and it also helps your wig to lay super flat. Now again, this wig does come pre-styled, so I did not waste any time with restyling the wig unit. It's way too hot for that, and as you guys know, it's been really humid lately, at least here in New York. So I took advantage of the curls that they had already given me, and I just combed it with my wide tooth comb, and I used my wax stick wherever I noticed there were too many flyaways, just to help her look really well polished, and she didn't just came out right out the box. I wanted to look like I just got my hair freshly done. Quality wise, this hair was really great. I had very minimal shedding, which is great, and I also had minimal tangling as well. And even though this wig is 150% density, she felt very full, you guys. I'll be 100% honest with that. She felt very full. She looked very full. The hair also had a very nice shine to her. This is 100% human hair, by the way, and even as I was using my hot comb, it took to the heat extremely well, and I did not have any type of crazy smelling. So that is that for this first lace closure, a really quick put on and go everyday type of wig. Now we are going to switch her out, you guys, and we're gonna have some fun. So in the second box, I got even more gifts along with a different lace closure. Now the second lace closure that they gave me was even more comfortable than the other one. This one is actually black with blonde highlights. Again, she does come pre-styled, pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached as well. So this wig is ready to go, and it does feel a lot thinner than the other one. It has the Velcro on it as well as a clip. That way we can easily clip it on to the rest of the wig. So now all I'm going to do is just peel off this other lace closure. I put it in slow motion just so you guys can see how easy it is, and I unclipped her as well. So again, easy peasy, you guys. It's just clips and a Velcro strip, and you literally just take it right on off. And I'm showing you guys the loopholes and the clips where the other one was attached to. That way you will have an idea. The first lace closure has like 3 different clips that it attaches to along with the Velcro strip. The second lace closure only has 1 clip that it attaches to with the Velcro strip as well. So they do attach and detach a little differently. Security wise, the first lace closure has a lot more security. The second lace closure does not. Okay, so I just wanted to throw that out there. So here is a close-up of the second lace. You see the Velcro strip and that little clip in the middle. All you have to do is just clip the lace closure onto the rest of the wig unit and just attach the Velcro strip to the wig unit as well, and that is it for the second lace closure. So now the second lace closure is officially on the rest of the wig cap, and she is secure. So I went ahead and threw her on, and I just followed the same steps that I did in the beginning. So this is the final look with the second lace closure, and I'm not gonna lie, I was feeling this one a lot better, mostly just because the melt on this one was a lot easier. I didn't really have to use any spray on this lace as well because I felt like this lace was thinner and it wasn't as noticeable as the other one, and she was laying pretty flatter than the other one too. Now as far as taking her off, all I had to do was just peel that Velcro strip and unclip her from the middle, and I just peeled the rest of it off, you guys. So again, it's super easy and quick too. So if you decide last minute you want to change lace closures while you're on your way out, you actually could do that. So I want you guys to comment down below and let me know what you think about this wig unit. Overall, I honestly feel like it really is a good idea. It's basically the same process of you buying a lace closure wig and then you buy another lace closure down the line because your first lace closure got a little old. Not all of us are educated enough to remove the lace closure properly on our wig units in order to install a new one, and going to these hairstylists nowadays is just even more money. With this particular wig unit, they made it very easy for you to actually do it it yourself. So for that, I will applaud them on. As far as saving time, you are saving time. Saving money, possibly, because if you take out having to go to a hairstylist to completely revamp the wig for you, then yeah, I would agree on that. But again, just like I told you guys, when you go to the website, it will give you an option to buy this wig unit with just one lace closure or two. And with the inches that I have specifically, she can get a little pricey. But are you saving more money with buying this wig unit instead of spending time, money, and effort with going to a wig stylist? Yes. So I will give them that 100%. This is definitely an easy way for us to take care of our units and also maintain long wear and just learn how to do stuff ourselves and just have the versatility to do it as well. So shout out to UNiceHair for coming up with the wig unit like this. I think that this is really great, especially for all my beginners out there or girls who like to switch it up and you're trying to save money from going to these wig stylists, hairstylists. Everything will be listed in the description box down below, so make sure you guys check it out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.